Hello, dear students. Welcome to NCERT Classes. Today, we will do the questions and answers of Chapter 8. The chapter name is Reproduction in Plants. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. Answer. A. Production of new individuals from the vegetative part of the parent is called vegetative propagation. B. A flower may have either male or female reproductive parts. Such a flower is called unisexual flower. C. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same or of another flower of the same kind is known as pollination. D. The fusion of male and female gametes is termed as fertilization. E. Seed dispersal takes place by means of wind, water and animals. Question 2. Describe the different methods of asexual reproduction. Give examples. Answer. In asexual reproduction, new plants are obtained without seeds. Different methods of asexual reproduction are as follows. 1. Vegetative propagation. It is a type of asexual reproduction in which new plants are produced from roots, stems, leaves and buds. Examples: tuber of potato, stem of rose, the rhizome of ginger. 2. Budding. The bud is a small projection which gradually grows and gets detached from the parent cell and forms a new yeast cell. Example: yeast. 3. Fragmentation. In this type of reproduction, the growth and multiplication are done by rapidly breaking down into 2 or more fragments. Each fragment grows into new individuals when water and nutrients are available. Example: algae, Spirogyra. 4. Spore formation. This reproduction is done by spores which, under favorable conditions, germinate and develop into a new individual. Examples: fungi, moss, fern. Question 3. Explain what you understand by sexual reproduction. Answer. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is a method where male and female gametes fuse to form a new individual. In sexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from seeds. In plants, stamens are male reproductive part which bear the anthers. Pistils are female reproductive part which bear ovary. Question 4. State the main difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. Answer. 1. In asexual reproduction, new plants are obtained without seeds. Whereas in sexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from seeds. 2. Asexual reproduction requires only one parent, whereas sexual reproduction requires a male and female parent. 3. In asexual reproduction, special reproductive organs are not required, whereas in sexual reproduction, special reproductive organs are required. 4. Asexual reproduction examples are yeast, algae, and fungi. Whereas sexual reproduction example are mustard, rose. Question 5. Sketch the reproductive parts of a flower. Answer. The figure shows the male reproductive parts and female reproductive parts of flower. Question 6. Explain the difference between self-pollination and cross-pollination. Answer. 1. In self-pollination, pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. Whereas, In cross-pollination, pollen grains are transferred from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of the same kind. 2. Self-pollination occurs only in bisexual flowers, whereas cross-pollination occurs in both unisexual and bisexual flowers. 3 examples of self-pollination are wheat, peas, whereas example of cross-pollination are ladyfinger, tomato, brinjal. Question 7. How does the process of fertilization take place in flowers? Answer: fertilization. The fusion of male and female gametes to form a zygote is called fertilization. The zygote develops into an embryo. Question 8. Describe the various ways by which seeds are dispersed. Answer: seeds and fruits of plants are carried away by the wind, water, and animals. 1. Dispersal by wind. Winged seeds such as those of drumstick and maple, light seeds of grasses or hairy seeds of arc, and hairy fruit of the sunflower get blown off with the wind to far away places. Example: maple, drumstick, sunflower. 2. Dispersal by water. Some seeds are dispersed by water. These fruits or seeds usually develop floating ability in the form of a spongy or fibrous outer coat. Example: coconut. Coconut. 3. Dispersal by animals. Some seeds are dispersed by animals, especially spiny seeds with hooks that get attached to the bodies of animals and are carried to distant places. Examples: xanthium and urina. 4. Dispersal by bursting or jerk. Some seeds are dispersed when the fruits burst with sudden jerks. The seeds are scattered far from the parent plant. Examples: castor and balsam. Question 9. Match items in column 1 with those in column 2. Answer: Students, with this the questions and answers of Chapter 8 are completed. All chapters' questions and answers are available in the channel playlist. Thanks for watching.